This flood vehicle came in last night in a tow truck, and we're going to begin the process of getting her checked into the system. One of the things that's so important whenever dealing with flood is to document everything before you start any part of the process, especially if it's going to be going through insurance, or if you decide later to go through insurance once you've kind of done your initial assessment. It's super important to get everything documented. Here at Professional Auto Care, this is just one of the standard things that we do. We just do a full walk around of the vehicle, try to get an accurate assessment of where we already think the water line could be prior to putting the tape down and marking the water line. But we can see already right here that looks about how high the water was when this vehicle went through the flood waters.